You know if you worry about nothing, you're my wife, you're my VIP. Girl, if you know by now, say you have my heartstring. Are you for bring me joy, you for bring all me offspring, yeah. Girl, you know some love you. I don't mean to be bad. Girl, you know some love you. I never mean to make you mad.
We've been at the bank all day. We've been at the bank all day trying to do some stuff, and yeah, then the service was down. So nothing in the work. But we're next in line. Hopefully everything goes well. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. So anyways, we still have to go to the mechanic because we never got to go yesterday because we needed to come to the bank to get some money. So we're gonna go now and go fix that. But I'm hungry. I want a soda. Like I want a soda so bad. Like I just need some acid in my mouth. Like, you know. So yeah, that's the plan for right now. Yeah, when we get back doing something, I'll come back.
Red, gold and green. Red, gold and green.
Like shit.
Red, gold and green. Red, gold and green.
See how young they are out here working? Back at the grocery store. Mr. and Mr.
Why?
We are progressive. Why what?
Wait, but let me supermarket card.
I'm gonna be in the juice aisle, okay? This man is a friggin' madman. Remember me telling you that, yeah? Shut the fuck up. Oh God, it's cold. Why you... Wait, me need to leave mine too? Huh? Yeah. Do I need to leave mine? Do I need to leave mine?
No.
Where's the burger? Frozen aisle?
Sexiness. One up.
Where's the burger?
Yeah, okay, so straight to X.
So why would we pass?
Accident, sorry.
What accident?
Almost. Sexy door. What's the big door? Not like them pillar there, I'm ready.
Where?
Go so.
Like direction?
It's apple that we're not buy them. I buy them at the stoplight. So what's up there?
Direction?
I support the youth them at the stoplight.
It's so annoying.
We don't know direction of me here, go. I want to be the first and we'll put night so we don't forget. Jerk, oh, the bag juice them around us.
You know what I mean?
You could have go there and go for the bag. Take that one.
No, they don't have the one that I want.
They don't have colors.
Not even that, but I like the green.
I want to buy that wholesale.
No, I'll just get this one.
You buy it and done, because we don't have that up and down.
No, okay.
Get one if we're not spilling on our birds. This is progressive. Big bad supermarket. I have them card. He's a member. Hips them curvy though.
Stop.
the CPJ one, see there?
Yeah. Wait. Oh.
Jerk one, you have the all beef. Check out the jerk one. I need to find the burger bread.
They have bacon.
So take two of them. Take one of the bacon and the next one. See
How
that
does that work? A bacon burger? No, I'm confused. Shrimp? Why can't you eat seafood?
No, I can't.
So you don't need the bread?
Eh? I know them there, them not the burger bread. Them there are like them. Eh? Yeah, I don't like them. No, I don't buy them fancy.
But you can look. It says crème. You snuff. Oh, also when you put me on YouTube like so, and anybody coming on my DMs, you know say nothing.
Oh, is that them for do? They look cable. Mine able.
What else? What other kind of soda you like?
You know, I soda. Let's buy the strips.
This is what you say, but then when I buy it, you're gonna drink it.
Yeah, me I drink anything you want drink, me I drink. You know say it for go? I buy waters.
Look how fast I'm free. Don't say one is for me, eh? Don't say one is for me, okay? No, it doesn't do it.
Yeah, come use a water, man. You're pretty. Pretty, sir. Show them all, man.
Stop, man. Leave me alone. Leave me the
Show the world.
Oh,
Ooh,
oh, box.
look for neck.
Okay, where next?
How is this one? Oh, the bread, burger bread. Which aisle of bread aisle again?
Ooh. New flavors, guys. Strawberry banana. Must be good. Do they have it in the small one?
That orange one. Orange one nice.
Yeah. I never tried the guava kind. I don't think. No, I lied. I did. Babe, let's go down this aisle.
Baby aisle.
Yeah, let's prepare ourselves.
Well, yeah, because you breathe, you know. Baby in a belly. Ready.
$1,000 for a pack of diapers.
One buck climb for start hard.
Okay. Okay. For a pack of diapers, I can go through a day or two. Or three.
Alright, three. Yeah, that's,
Okay.
there were three there.
Wipes, because these are essential items. Yeah, $750 worth of wipes.
Me not getting a picnic.
Okay. You see
Can't
how,
afford them.
how a little bit expensive it is there, yeah? Wait, babe, hold on. Can you have me baby food? Oh, wait. Does your microwave work? I can warm it up in the pot.
Why you want to buy a baby
I'm
food?
addicted.
Oh, put it down. You're not a baby.
I'll put it down in here. Can't tell me that. Hawaiian delight. That looks good. Everybody has an addiction, okay? Mine is bananas. I mean, baby food. Okay, stop recording me because you just make it look so like I'm a celebrity. So annoying, man. Can't carry him go nowhere. Sir, your bum crack is showing. You don't want to pick up a couple Maggie? We'll go pick up the tissue over here, or we'll go buy it over the shop, the tissue. So
If it's Easter one, come on Easter.
We don't have to. We got burgers already. You really want to have an Easter? He wants us to have our Easter because I didn't come last week for Easter. I'm going to come this week after Easter.
No, that's going to try this. But I'm going to work, you know. The feeding burger better than that.
Why the are you yelling? Jesus Christ. I don't want what we don't like.
Yeah. I don't want to exactly what we eat. Yeah, look at me.
So, well, Anna, let me pick up my thing. Yeah, this is the red berry I was talking about. Okay, try it. Going by jerk for the meat I'm supposed to pick up. I mean chicken. This guy cannot concentrate on anything in life. You guys can't see nothing because we're at night beach. Well, not night beach, but we're at the beach at night. And there's a soca party going on, so we're getting like a free party right over there. And I left me gun, oh la 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 la, girl for fun, make real money, give me friend them some. Hey, boom la la la, my clocks and my jeans them skinny. Next year it listen me. Lie out to J City Nas City. You understand the lyrics? Woyoy. Anyways, we're at Hellshire. Yeah, can't see anything.
Breathe, no one breathe, baby coming at me.
Bay's in the car. Yeah. Me can't wallet. Baby, me can't wallet. Me can't wallet me a ball out.